Hello, in this video I'll be talking about colliders. When we create a basic object, it already comes with a collider by default. However, we can also remove it and add a new one if needed. So, what exactly is a collider? It's a component that defines an object's shape for physical collisions, helping the physics engine understand where and how objects interact with each other. Without a collider, objects would simply pass through one another. For example, both of the objects I'm showing here have colliders attached. For a collider to properly detect collisions, it needs a rigid body component. Without it, the object won't be able to calculate physical behavior. The collider settings are pretty straightforward. You just adjust its size to match your object's geometry. For instance, if you have a sphere, you'd use a sphere collider. For a character, a capsule collider works great. And if your object has an unusual shape, you'd go with a mesh collider. Just make sure to check the right box in the settings. I've got two examples to share. The first is a simple teapot using a mesh collider. The second is teapot made up of multiple colliders to make the physics as realistic as possible. Let's take a look at how they behave. Here is the second example. Pretty cool and lifelike, right? To sum it up, depending on your game's needs, you can apply the right colliders to your objects to achieve the kind of physics you're aiming for. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.